In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create PDF reports in Odoo. If you want to generate professional-looking documents directly from your Odoo records, Studio makes the process much easier. In this walkthrough, we'll create a custom PDF report starting from an existing model, then customize the layout, and finally test it from the print menu. To begin, open the specific view of the model you want to create the report for, such as sales. This is important because the report will be tied to the model you're currently working in. So if you want a report for sales orders, make sure you're inside that sales-related view before you start. Choosing the correct model up front helps ensure the report pulls the right fields and data later on. Once you're in the correct area, go to the top right corner and click the Toggle Studio button, which is the wrench or sparkle icon. This opens Odoo Studio, where you can customize forms, fields, and in this case, reports. If Studio takes a moment to load, that's normal, especially in larger databases. After Studio opens, click Reports in the Studio menu. This section is where Odoo lets you manage report templates for the current model. From here, you can either edit an existing report or create a brand new one. Next, click New and enter a name for your report. Give it a name that clearly describes its purpose so it's easy to recognize later in the print menu. A clear title is especially helpful if multiple custom reports will be used by your team. You'll then be asked to choose a layout. You can select external with header and footer or blank. The external layout is usually the better option if you want a polished document with a standard structure such as a company-style header and footer. The blank layout is more useful if you want complete control over the design and prefer to build everything from scratch. After choosing the layout, use the drag and drop elements in the right panel to customize the fields and data that appear in the report. This is where you shape the final output. Add the information you want included, rearrange sections as needed, and make sure the content is organized in a way that will be easy to read once exported as a PDF. As you build, it's a good idea to keep the final audience in mind so the report stays practical and clean. When you're done, close Studio so you can test the report. Then open the print menu for that record or model and look for your new report there. Run it to confirm the layout, content, and formatting all appear as expected. If something doesn't look right, you can always return to Studio, adjust the design, and test again until the PDF looks exactly the way you want.